Hi guys, welcome to Jili Ibda American School. Our lesson today about how to find the volume of prism. Okay, please look and listen carefully.
How can you find the volume of a prism? Think about this question during the lesson. Cora has an aquarium with exotic fish. The tank is the size and shape of a trapezoidal prism. The distance from the front glass to the back is 2 feet, and the other dimensions are shown. What is the volume of the aquarium tank? The first step is to identify the shape of the base. What is the shape?
Select your answer.
Okay, the shape of the base. Here, this is the base, or this is one. Okay, the base has 4 sides. Is these 4 sides are each two opposite are parallel or equal? No, so it's not rectangle and not a square. Okay, is the base is a triangle? No, triangle has 3 sides. So is the base is a trapezoid? Yes, because trapezoid has 2 opposite and parallel sides.
The base of the prism is a trapezoid, as shown by the top and bottom faces in the drawing. The other faces of the prism are rectangles. The next step is to find the area of the base, B, of the prism. Use the area formula for a trapezoid. The area, A, is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the 2 bases, B1 and B2, times the height, H. Now substitute values into the formula to find the area. The bases, B1 and B2, are 3 feet and 6 feet. The height, H, is 2 feet. Simplify the expression to find the area of the base is equal to 9 square feet. Why does this formula work? Remember that you can think of a trapezoid as half of a parallelogram. The base of this parallelogram is the sum of the 2 bases of the trapezoid, and the height of the parallelogram is the same as the height of the trapezoid. Now we're ready to find the volume of the prism. What is the formula for the volume? The volume of the prism, V, is equal to the product of the area of the base, capital B, and the height, H. Substitute values into the formula and simplify. The volume is 45 cubic feet. Note that volume is measured in cubic units. The volume of the aquarium tank is 45 cubic feet. Now you know how to find the volume of a prism.
Okay, now we move to the practical part. See you. Practical part. Okay, the practical part today we solve it from the computer. Okay, because our lesson we can't draw these shapes on a paper, and it will be more clearly to discuss during the computer. Okay, open your book, page 475. These problems from page 475. Now look and listen carefully. Okay, now our lesson about how to find the volume of the prism. The volume of the prism, the most important rule here, the volume equal base area times height. Base area times height. Okay, here this is a triangular prism because its base is a triangle. This base is a triangle, So its base is a triangle. What is the area of triangle? The area of triangle equal half times base times height. So the area of base equal half times base times height. What is base here? 4.2 times height 2.8. So these two terms is the area of base times the height of the prism to give me the volume. Volume area of base times height. Here this is the height 7, okay, and the area of triangle equal half times 4.2 times 2.8. Okay, we can use the calculator to find the answer. Here the answer it will be yes 41.16 meter cube. Don't forget the volume, we write cube unit. Okay, the second one, the total area of a prism. Here its base is a hexagon. Okay, what is the area of hexagon? Remember that the volume equal base area times height. So what is the height here of the prism? The height here is 14. So the answer here it will be 14. Okay, and here what is the area of the base? The area of a hexagon is half times base times height. Here base equal the same side of the upper face 7, so the base here equals 7, and the height of this base equals 6.1, so half by 6.1, okay, by 7. How many triangles in a hexagon? Hexagon has 6 identical triangles. So if we want to find the area of triangle, half times base times height, and if we want to find the area of hexagon, equals 6 times the area of one triangle. So the area of base of a prism here is a hexagon, so we have by 6.1 this is the height, and the base equal 7. And how many triangles? 6 triangles, so multiply 6. These terms half times 6.1 times 7 times 6 is the total area of base. Multiply the height of prism equals 14, so we multiply half times 6.1 times 7 times 6, it will be 128.1. Multiply the height 14, the answer it will be 1793.4. Okay, now the last question. A tunnel for an amusement park ride has the shape of a regular hexagon prism with dimensions show the prism has a volume 3,572.1 cubic meters. Can 2 8 meters cars connected by a 3-meter connector pass through the tunnel at the same time? Okay, look, we have two parts of this problem. The first one, he gave me the volume and give me the dimension of base here, so we haven't the height of prism. So we can find the height of prism by this data, by the volume and the base. The volume equal base times height. If I want to find the base or height, what can we do? To find the height, we divide volume by the area of base. Volume by the area of base. Okay, what is the area of base here? The base is a hexagon, the area equals half times 8.1 times 7, this is the area of triangle, times 6. So the area it will be 107.1. Okay, now we have the area and we have volume and want to find the height. So we divided volume 3,572.1 by the area of base. It gives me the height. The height will be 21. The height equal 21. So the prism has height 21, so the long for the prism is 21. And what is the cubic, and what is that, can, he asked about, can 2 meters cars. 2 meters car, it means 16 meters. Connected by 3 meters, so it will be 19. And the prism has long 21, so the answer is yes. The prism is 21 meters long, and the total length of the cars and the connectors is 19 meters, so we can it can write at the same time. Okay, so our lesson, we can use a calculator for solve it, no problem. Remember that the volume equal base area times height, and if I want to find the height, so we divided volume by the base area. See, this is our last lesson, and now we finish our curriculum. Okay, the next video for a revision. See you and good luck.